Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some stuff to the other Jetta. Now I already set up an umbrella because it is very hot outside today, and I apologize for that beeping noise in the background, but so I got a new wiring harness. It finally came in. I just ordered it a little bit ago, and I got a fender because that fender is absolutely bacon. So we're gonna be putting in the wiring harness today. Well, I'm not sure about the fender, but because I got stuff to do later today, but we will be doing the wiring harness today. So that's why I set up the umbrella. We're gonna get started now. I've never done one before, but we'll figure it out. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the first thing that I have to start with is I have to take the wiper blade arms off, pop those caps off. This cap's already gone, but I have to take the wiper blades off and remove the windshield cowl, and then under there is where we'll find the actual harness. So we'll have to unwire the harness all the way through and everything, and go from there. I'm going to label everything, hopefully figure out what some of these cut connectors go to on the other harness, and go from there. Alright, so I just got the camera set up, so we are going to start by, like I said, taking off this. But I'm gonna take this off now just because it's in the way. So sit down the ground over there. Just gotta look where everything's going right now, so I can see. It goes back there. It goes back down to the. Looks like that goes down to the trans. Okay. So we're gonna take this off, and we will go from there. Alright, so I just got the windshield cowl off. I had to do some PB blasting on the stupid things because they got stuck. So we have to take this harness out right here, this plug out of the ECU, and then follow the line down. I thought it was this one, but it's not, it's this one. So I don't particularly know where that one goes. I think it still looks like it goes down here, but it might go, yeah, it goes into the car. So that probably goes to the car. But yeah, we're gonna take this one, follow it down, and remove it and label everything. So we're gonna go from there. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna get to work on that. Alright, so I just took out the plug and I disconnected it from there, but I have to follow it down. I'm pretty sure I have to move the air box because I think it's going to be in the way of a lot of the wiring. I think it'd be a lot more convenient if I just got it out of the way now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to unplug the connectors and hopefully be able to follow that down and see where it goes to. But as of right now, it seems like it's in the way, so might as well move it. It's not that hard to move, so we'll go do that real quick and go from there. Alright, I just moved the airbox out of the way. Now I have a lot better access to these wires and stuff that are coming from the engine harness. So I'm gonna take this connector. Actually, I probably would have had to take the, I would have had to take it off anyways. Where did I put that screwdriver? There it is. I would have taken it off anyways because this whole cover goes under the airbox. So might as well just do that real quick because it'll be there. But yeah, all the wires are there now. I'll show you guys real quick. So they're the wires, but they go down further, so I might have to move the battery tray as well. But yep, that's them. And the wires go over here somewhere, so I gotta figure where that goes. I think it goes down and under the battery down there. So we'll take the battery, move it, and follow the wires, and hopefully figure out where all the wires go, disconnect them, label them, and we should be good. Alright, before I keep going, I want to get some masking tape and a marker so I can label what these connectors all go to, so I don't lose track later, because like I said, I'm no master mechanic. So I'm gonna label everything so that whenever I put the new harness in, I can look what the old connector was and figure out where it was in the car beforehand, and I can also watch the footage and figure out where it was as well. So we're gonna get to labeling, taking some stuff off, taking that battery cover off like I said, and hopefully figure out where everything is and what all needs to come out. So here we go. Alright, just got the battery box out. Looks like the harness goes down here, like I said. So I'm gonna have to follow that. Looks like it goes down. This goes to the fan housing. So, or not housing, the fan power. So it goes down there. Looks like a connector to the top of the starter is what that looks like. And some wires follow through here. This is where it starts to get bad on the car. It's super messed up, but we will see, I guess. I haven't looked at any of it that much, but the wiring all goes down here. So keep following it, pulling it all out, labeling it. Already started labeling some of it. So yep, progress. Let's keep going. All right, well, before I kept going, I got a glass of water because I felt like I dry scooped a solid chunk of the Sahara Desert, so I'm gonna get water. Thought I should inform you guys of that just because I thought it was realistic. Let's get back to it. Alright, so I just unplugged the plug, but we're going to have to take some stuff out of this box here that goes on top of the battery. So it looks like one of the red wires right here goes to here, so I'm going to have to take that out and find that on the other harness and label it, as well as label this on the other harness. Instead of me labeling it on the harness that's coming out, I'm labeling it on that harness that's going in, so then I can figure out where it all goes inside the car. Because I don't need to label this because it's junk. So yeah, I'm going to take this red wire out. Okay, so I actually didn't need to take that off. I'm just a dingus, so I'm gonna put that back on real quick, but I'm not gonna. Alright, so I accidentally just took something out I didn't need to, so if something in the video looks like it doesn't fit together, that's probably why, because I accidentally disconnected one of these wires and I realized I didn't have to, so I just reconnected it. So I don't know if I talked about that already or not, but yeah, so I'm gonna get back to work. I'm gonna find, I gotta follow this line. I mixed them up because I'm a dingus, so if I stop being a dingus, hopefully this won't take as long. Let's get back to it. Alright, well, after removing some more wires, it might seem that I'm gonna need the whole like body harness, so yeah, that's not gonna be fun, but I might be able to see if I gotta figure out what these connectors go to, because I know what this one goes to, but I don't know what this one goes to, and this one doesn't exist, so, or I don't know if you guys can see that. This one doesn't exist, but this one goes to, I don't know what this one goes to yet. I have to figure that out. But this one goes to the SAA, or SAI, whatever you want to call it, the secondary injection. But I'm not too particularly sure what I'm gonna do right now, because I have to figure out what I want to think about doing as well, because I'm not sure if that's the current wiring harness is the issue, but because I don't know. I gotta figure out what connectors go to what real quick, so I'll be right back and we'll start back up from there, I guess. Okay, just had my brother look at it, so I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm pretty sure this is because this wire was spliced with a 1/8 harness, so I'm gonna keep pulling out the 2/0 harness and hopefully fixes the running issue. So we will see. Okay, so let's get back to it. Like I said, I had my brother look at it, so I'm gonna be swapping this wiring harness out and hoping that this. So previous owner spliced a 1/8 T harness from another Jetta or Golf or whatever together into this harness, and it I mean, I don't know if that's the issue or not, but regardless, this wasn't hooked up, so we still have to swap the harness out. But I don't know if this is going to be an issue, so if it is, I'll be in another video and me and my brother will get that figured out. But as of right now, we're just gonna keep swapping this harness out. So let's get to it. Like I said, I have my brother and them look at it, so we'll see. But like I said, let's get to it. Enough rambling. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I just moved the SAA thing, I don't know, I'm going to probably cut the video, did a bunch of random crap, but now all I got to do is get this harness out. I'm not going to pull it off from out behind this bracket, I'm just going to leave it where it is, but this connects down to 2 NOx sensors, I think that's what they are. Actually no, wait, it connects to 1 NOx sensor and 1 to the AC compressor, or AC, yeah, to the AC, and then this one goes up to, looks like a thermos, no, wait, temperature sensor, and to the injectors, to the back of the throttle body, and one goes down to the back where the O2 sensor is, which is cut, I'm pretty sure. So shouldn't be that bad, just a little bit of moving stuff. So I'm just gonna keep going and plug away. It's just gonna be a big haul from no, so enjoy. Alrighty, so I just finished getting the engine harness out. Sorry about that noise. Finished getting the engine harness out. It's down there on the ground. I'm going to label the new one, and hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna get it in today, maybe tomorrow, but because I still have to pick up some zip ties and stuff, but I at least want to get it out. Let's consider this a part 1. But I am very, very happy with the progress so far. So, not exactly gonna get it out in light speed, but like I did, I got it out. So let's get labeling this. Pick up some electrical tape, some zip ties, and we'll see what time we're sitting at. But as of right now, I'm pretty satisfied with the progress so far. So. Heck yeah. Okay, so I just got the harness out. There it is, down there on the ground, this one right here. That's the new one. I'm gonna get it all labeled. I'm very happy with the progress that I've made so far, considering I've never done this before. So I didn't watch any videos or anything either, so I'm just kind of doing this all off of logic. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish today. I'm probably just gonna be able to pull it like I did. So we're going to be ending the video here really soon, but I'm just going to finish labeling this. Then I got to run to the store, pick up some zip ties and some electrical tape, and hopefully that's the issue, and hopefully this connector appears on the new harness, because if not, then we might have some minor issues. But yeah, so far so good. Wasn't that bad. But some of the connectors did put up one heck of a fight, but was able to get them out. So I'm gonna finish labeling this, and we'll go from there.